Okay, guys, so we are going to start with a new course, and that's computer literacy, right? And there's a basics knowledge about computers. We are going to start with it. So today we are going to start with the chapter one, who contains about 5 softwares that you need to have on your computer to get started, right? So without wasting time, let's start with this course, right? Okay, this is the table of content, and as you can see, we have these 5 softwares that I recommend to have on your PC, right? And as a student, that this is what you need. You need these basic 5 things so that you can get started and use your computer and without any stress, right? So the first one is the internet browser, right? Internet browser, we choose Google Chrome, right? Because it's very fast and very useful in the world. Like I recommend for anyone to use Google Chrome as you are starting your programs or starting anything with computers, right? And the second one is the media. That's why I recommend VLC. Right, it's very important. The third one also is the file compression and extraction, and I chose WinRAR because WinRAR is very useful. It supports so many files and extraction and all that, right? So WinRAR is very useful and with this with Windows computers, right? And the fourth one, I use the Office suite. I chose Microsoft Office, and I think every one of you and will choose this one as well, right? And Microsoft Office is very important, right? So I recommend you guys to have Microsoft Office on your PC, right? And some people also was discussing with me about how they can use Microsoft Office for free, and that one you need a cracked version that doesn't need any paid or any serial numbers to open, right? And let me continue with the last one. That's the graphics and image design and edits, right? That's the Paint 3D. I was choosing Photoshop for you guys, but I know it's very difficult for you to know unless we continue a little bit. And I was starting a Photoshop course that if you want to start with that, you can also take that course in the description. I've added in my description. So that Photoshop course also will be continued as time goes on, right? So let's take a little bit time to look at the images or maybe the front pages of each of these softwares that I am talking about, right? So the first one is the Google Chrome, and you can see the interface. Maybe you have seen it before. I know most of you have used Google Chrome before, right? This is how the interface looks like, and it has so many features that you can use and so many things you can learn here, right? It's very important. The second one is in the VLC. VLC also, this is the interface, and as you can see, it supports audio and video files and so many files that you can open with the VLC, right? This is very important. And the third one is the compression file and extraction file, and I chose WinRAR. WinRAR is very good for Windows, right? I started using WinRAR long ago, and I haven't used any other. I use 7-zip, right? And I know WinRAR is very good than 7-zip, right? So I just chose WinRAR for myself, and this is what I recommend for you guys to have. The fourth one also is the Office suite, which is the Microsoft Office, and this the basics 5 things that you have to have on your PC, right? And I know these 3 things is what you need the most. Is the Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, right? And this one also is very important, and I will talk to you guys about how this one is also useful, right? So it's very good for you to have this. And the last one is the graphic design and image design and edit, right? The Paint 3D, you can see that Paint 3D has so many functionalities, and you can just go to your search bar and just search Paint 3D, and you can see it and open the Paint 3D, right? And it's very useful. It's very useful on your machine, right? So thank you very much for being with me. I will take the time and end this one here, and we will continue the next one because I don't want you guys to frustrate yourself or give you a long video so that you will not be excited about. I know you don't like long videos. So I will take my time to explain things and make things short for you guys. Right? So if you want the softwares, I will put them in my Google Drive, and this will be added to the description. So make sure you click on it and you follow the link to download all the softwares. I put them in one file, so don't forget yourself to download it. Right, it's very important. Right. Thank you very much for being with me today. We will continue the next video or the chapter 2, and so make sure you subscribe and like this video. And if anything else, you can see the video you can see it in the next video. Thank you very much.